Hello friends, welcome to my channel. Today I will explain you some information about different varieties of wax we are using for making different varieties of candle. Please remember, this is not my candle making course. For further or more information, you refer my candle making course. Now here various types of wax are available and we can make different type of candles. For example, this is Indian wax. This is Indian wax. Sometimes it is known as China wax also. So either you can say this as a China wax or Indian wax. It's available in slab form. So we can use this wax for making candle. Another wax is Iran wax. So this is Iran wax. See, there is a difference in both the wax. Previous was white transparent. This is white opaque and little bit soft. So this is the different. We can use this wax also for candle making. Beside that, further wax are available like beeswax. So this is beeswax. Now beeswax comes in different colors. Sometimes it comes white, sometimes it comes yellow form, and sometimes it may come in slab form. So this is a slab form. So whichever may be available, you can use. So next is my beeswax. Now beeswax we can use same way. There is another wax, we call it as micro wax. So this is micro wax. It is little bit sticky. Maybe it looks like Iran wax or something, but it is sticky and costly. So this is micro wax. More details about using this wax is available in my course. So we can use micro wax also for our candles. Now you have seen China wax or Indian wax, Iran wax, beeswax, Microsoft wax. So this type of candles we can make with this wax. This is floating candle. This is hurricane candles. So this type of candles we can make with this. Now with beeswax, one can make, nowadays is running item, wax tablets. This is wax tablets. We can hang it in our cupboard or any with fragrance. So here we use wax, beeswax. Now with beeswax we can make container candle, jar candle. These are also made with some combination we can use with that. Now there is one wax, we call it as soya wax. This is soya wax. It's a flex like. This like flex, it's available. So sometimes we use this for glass and container candle. Then comes vegetable wax. This is a vegetable wax. You can use as and where you require for making glass, jar, etc. So this type of candle we can use. Now with vegetable wax we can make tea light, such tablets. This is the wax tablet. We can use it for burning in the diffuser. So this is diffuser. In diffuser we use that soft wax tablet. Now there is one wax, we call it as powder wax. This is powder wax. This type of wax also available in powder form, just like salt. So we can mix with wax to increase the quality on finishing of the wax. So these are all the wax available which we can use for making candle. Then there is one more wax, we call it as gel wax. This is gel wax. It looks transparent. It is transparent gel type. With gel wax we can make gel candle. So this is my gel candle. Again this is gel candle. So these are all the different varieties of wax we can use for making different varieties of candle. Now gel candle need container, so you have to keep in container. Sometimes we make in container also. This is glass jar candle, this is glass candle. So different application, different wax are required. For making only candle, we either use Iran wax, China wax. So these are the main candle. But for other thing, we have to use different wax. Now suppose you are making this tablet or tart. Here we are avoiding using paraffin wax. So again here we use different things. So all different products need different wax. Everything is given in my course. So for more details you have to refer my course. But for general information I have given you this short details about different wax and its different uses. I hope this information will be useful. Thank you. All the best. Thanks for watching my video. Please like it, share it and subscribe it. If you subscribe, you will get notification of my further video, easy to refer. Beside this, I have many other courses for home business or hobby or self-employment, self-reliant. For that, please WhatsApp me and get my catalog by WhatsApp. Message me at my WhatsApp 9833744976. I am repeating my number 9833744976, and inform to your friends about our activity for various home business. Thank you. All the best.